Hello everybody, my name is Eric Bezo and I'm the main developer of Gobo Eiffel, an open source project containing a set of tools and libraries for the Eiffel programming language. In this video I will show you how to install Gobo Eiffel on your computer using the code from the GitHub repository. So let's start with Linux. So I'm a Windows developer, so I will use WSL with Ubuntu for this demo. So let's type git clone and then I'll go to the GitHub page to get the URL for this repository. So this will take a couple of minutes, so I will pause the video here. The git clone command is now completed, so I will go to the Gobo folder which has just been created, and I will set the environment variable Gobo to this folder. And now I will just execute this install command, and I just provide as argument the C compiler I want to use for the generation of the tools that comes with the Gobo package. So under Linux I would use GCC, but if you are under macOS you will probably use CLang for that. So let's go back to GCC. So this will compile all the tools which comes with the Gobo Eiffel package. This will take about 10 minutes, so I will pause the video again. Okay, so the tools are now compiled. So the last thing which remains to be done is to add the folder Gobo bin into your path. Export path equal bin path. Okay, that's it. Now the Gobo Eiffel package is installed on your computer. So let's compile an example in order to check that everything is working fine. So for this demo, I will use gegrep, which is a small tool similar to the Unix greps that I wrote using the Gobo Eiffel lexical library. So let's go into library lexical example gegrep. So the way to compile this example geogrep is to type this command. Oops. It's using the Gobo Eiffel compiler to compile it. Okay, so it's compiled. So the tool is called geogrep, and as an example, what I will try to do is to find what are the root creation procedure of this tool. So I will just look for something which starts with root, some text, and then feature, and I will look for that in the ECF files in that folder. Okay, and I see that the root creation procedure is called execute, and the root class is called grep, gegrep. So that's it for the installation under Linux. So now let's move to the same thing under Windows. So I will do pretty much the same thing, git clone, then grab the URL, okay, and let's it fetch the code from the GitHub Git repository. So again, it will take a couple of minutes, so I will pause the video. Okay, so the code is now on my computer, so I will go to the Gobo folder, which has just been created, and I will set the Gobo environment variable to this folder. Okay. So now I need to make sure that the C compiler I want to use as backend C compiler is in the path. So I use the C compiler which comes with a free community edition of Visual Studio 2022. So for that I will just execute this script which will set all the environment variables which are needed. So now that it's done, I can run the install script with the name of the C compiler I want to use. And this will compile all the tools which comes with the Gobo Eiffel package. So again, it will take about 10 minutes. I will pause the video here. Okay, so the Gobo Eiffel tools are now installed on my Windows computer. So the last thing which needs to be done is to make sure that the Gobo bin folder is included into your path. Okay, Gobo bin. Okay, and that's it. Gobo Eiffel is now installed on Windows. So we will try to use the same example as before, the grep, to make sure that everything is installed correctly. So let's move to library, lexical example grep. We will use this command again to compile this little app. Okay, and let's try to use it. Okay, again, I will try to find all the lines in the ECF files which have root something feature in my ECF file, and okay, I got the line with execute as a root creation procedure in class grep. Okay, so this concludes this video about installing Gobo Eiffel on your computer. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please don't forget to subscribe and to click on the like button. IP Eiffeling, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.